Want to build your own LED running text display? Let's make it simple. This project uses Arduino and a 32 by 8 LED matrix module. You need Arduino, 4 LED matrix modules, and jumper wires. Follow this wiring diagram to connect all components correctly. Here is the real connection after wiring is complete. Install the required libraries, then upload the code to your Arduino. You can change the text here to display anything you want. You can adjust speed and brightness in the code. Now, your LED running text is working perfectly. You can download the code and wiring from the description below. See you in the next project.